is Deacon Rock. He works at the Frankfurt Library. He's going to show us how to make an origami hat, and you will need an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper to do this. Go ahead, Deacon.
Okay. First, you're going to take your piece of paper and you're going to fold it long ways. You're going to want to make sure that these corners are as exact as possible, and then crease it well. And you're going to unfold it, kind of flatten that crease out a bit. And then we're going to do it the opposite way. Again, make sure those corners are as precise as possible. Okay, now with your paper like this, you're going to want to bring these corners down and line them up with this crease that we made down the middle. And then do the same on the other side. Now, we're going to bring this piece of paper here up, increase it, and bring it down again. Then we're going to fold that in half, line it up with the bottom, and then flip it all up. And then we'll do the same on the other side. And then pull it open a bit. And there you go.
Now Deacon is going to show us how to make a traditional origami box. You will need an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper for this.
Okay. So take your piece of paper, and we're going to fold it in half. Crease it well, like so, and then unfold it. Now we're going to bring this side of the paper in, and crease it well. Next, we're going to bring this side of the piece of paper in, and crease it well. It should look like this. Now, we're going to take it and we're going to fold it in half. Crease it, and then unfold it. Then we'll bring these pieces of paper into the middle, crease it, and unfold it. And then we'll do it on the other side. Now, with these corners, we're going to bring it into this crease that we've just made, and do that on all four corners. Your paper should look like this. Now, these middle pieces right here, we're going to fold these over the triangles that we just made on both sides. it should look like this. Now you're going to take these middle pieces right here, you're going to pull them over, and then just straighten it all up. Increase these bottom, and then crease these bottom sides really well, and the corners. And then there you have it, an origami box.
Now Deacon is going to show us how to make an origami crane. This one's a little tricky, so pay attention.
Okay.
You will need a perfectly square piece of paper for this crane.
So you're going to take your square and you're going to set it up like this, so it's like a diamond. And you're going to fold it across so the corners are touching. You want to get these as precise as possible. Now we're going to open it up, and we're going to do it the same but opposite. When you open it up, you should have a nice little X. Now we're going to flip it over, and we're going to keep it like this, and then we're going to fold it in half. Open it up, and then do it again. Now, you're going to set it like this, and you're going to bring these two corners down to the bottom corner, and then the top corner down as well, and flatten it. Now you should have a small square that looks like this. So you're going to take these flaps and we're going to fold them in to the middle. You want to crease it very well and then unfold it. Do this again on this side. Now, you're going to take this top corner, and you're going to bring it down and line it up right with the middle. Crease it, and then lift it up. It should look like this. Now, we're going to bring this bottom corner, just the top layer, up, and we're going to keep it along this line. And then flatten it all down. It should look like this. Now we're going to flip it over and do the same on this side. So now we can just follow these creases that we've already made. Is that going to bother the... And then do the same on the opposite side. Again, you're going to want to unfold it and then bring this corner up. it should look like this, with this apart and then this together. So now we're going to take this side and we're going to bring it into the middle and crease it well. Do on the other side. And crease. Flip and repeat. Now, this part's kind of tricky, but you're going to take one of these parts that stick out, you're going to fold it up. Keep it creased down the middle, and do that. And we're going to do it on the other side. The piece of paper should look like this. Now, with this triangle right here, you're going to pull it down, and that's one of the wings. Flip it over, and then you do it again. Your piece of paper should look like this. It doesn't have to look perfect, but to make the head, take the side that looks the most precise and fold it down. That creates the head, and then if you pull the wings up, you have an origami crane.